Imagine a world where AI has reached general intelligence, capable of performing any intellectual task a human can. This would usher in an era of unprecedented leisure for humanity. But is this utopia or a potential downfall? While the prospect of life free from toil is enticing, human energy, both physical and mental, is essential for societal evolution. Historically, civilizations have thrived through challenges and adversity. In the absence of this exertion, replaced by AI's digital, physical, and mental labor, could lead to a decline in human ingenuity and resilience. Think sustainability is only for tree huggers? Think again. The Kardashev scale measures civilizations based on their ability to harness natural energy. Type 1 harnesses planetary energy. Type 2, stellar energy. Type 3, galactic energy. Human civilization is currently at type 0, deriving energy from raw materials like wood, coal, and oil. However, we have yet to fully harness and utilize the energy available on our planet, like harnessing the energy from natural phenomena like tornadoes and hurricanes. While AI could accelerate our progress, it's crucial to remember that energy often derived from human ingenuity is a key driver of advancement. Research suggests that humans only tap into a fraction of their intellectual capabilities. By focusing on unlocking this untapped intelligence, we can achieve far greater heights than AI alone. It's essential to strike a balance between AI and human ingenuity, ensuring that technology serves as a tool and not a replacement. The future of humanity lies in a harmonious coexistence with AI. While technology offers immense potential, it's crucial to prioritize human development and maintain a healthy balance between leisure and exertion. By harnessing the power of both AI and human intelligence, we can create a future that is both prosperous and sustainable.